We have the 2019 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle has done just under 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media and radio, communication, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. Using our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.